Now, the first thing we're going to do is choose a theme for our store. So to do that, let's come over here and click on Online Store and go to Themes. And here we can see that the default theme that is currently installed is the Horizon theme. However, we could also choose other themes for our store. And to find those, we're going to scroll all the way down and click on Visit Theme Store. This will open up a new tab with all of the available themes for Shopify. To just see the free themes, let's take the free filter right here, and then it displays just all of the free themes that you can choose from. Now, if you like any of these designs, just click on this theme right here, and then you can click on View Demo. Here you can just browse through this demo store. You can also click on links or go to product pages. You can also check out how it looks on mobile devices. And if you like this theme, for example, you can just click on Try Theme right here. And then this theme will be installed on your Shopify store. As you can see, we are now back in our Shopify dashboard, and we get the message that the trade theme has been successfully added. Now, to activate this new theme for our store, we're going to have to scroll down under Theme Library. We're going to have to click on Publish and then Confirm. And now our theme for our store has been switched from the default Horizon theme to the new trade theme we have chosen before.